Here's how to check geo number on phone. Users merely receive a fresh geo number to call or use. However, in the early days, it may be tough to remember the geo number and it will take some time to fully memorize. There are 5 different methods to finding the geo number. Geo number check via USSD code. Geo consumers can access all of the information about their geo number by entering the USSD code. Here's how you can check. First, open the phone or dialer app on the smartphone. Now dial *1# for SIM1 or *2# for SIM2. Users will receive a pop-up or SMS with your geo number. However, if the preceding approach doesn't work, users can call 1299 from their registered geo mobile number to receive an SMS with their geo number and other information, such as validity, plan details, and more. Geo number check via SMS. There's no special code for checking the geo number. The telecommunication company does provide an SMS code that allows users to learn about all of their plans, validity, and other information. Moreover, the SMS includes the user's geo number. This is how it works. First, open the message app on your Android or iOS device. Send an SMS to 199 with the keyword MyPlan. After clicking the send button, the user will receive an SMS with their geo number and plan details such as validity, data, account balance, and more. Geo number check via MyGeo app. The easiest approach to check the geo number is to download the MyGeo app. The software is available for download on Google Play and the Apple Software Store. Here's what the user should do. First, download and install the MyGeo app on your Android or iOS device. Now open the application and select Sign in with SIM. The geo number will be shown at the top of the screen. Geo number check via customer care support. Another option to check geo number is to contact customer service. This offline technique will provide users with their cell number along with other information such as their data plan, account balance, and more. Here's how you may get your geo number from customer assistance. Open the phone or dialer app on your phone. Dial 1-800-899-999 or 199 from your registered geo phone number. It'll go to the interactive voice response service. Select the desired language from the menu. Then the IVR will inform users of their current data balance and plan validity. Press the correct key to speak with a customer service representative. Ask the person for your mobile number and he or she will gladly help. The greatest thing the user can do is note down the number so the user can quickly access it in the future. Geo number check by calling another mobile. The final way to check the geo number is to phone a friend or family member. If users have a friend or family member nearby, just call them using the geo number. They'll see your cell number and will instantly know the geo number.